Hello, this is Sarah Emery with Concentrus. Today I'm bringing you a short and sweet tip regarding the manufacturer information that you can capture in standard fields on inventory item records, as well as assembly other items in your system. So what you'll notice here, I am on an inventory item. And if I scroll down to the purchasing inventory tab, I have this manufacturer section. And I have three fields here, MPN, manufacturer, and manufacturer country. In another tab, I've opened the form that this item is created using. And if I look at that same tab, purchasing inventory, and I scroll down a bit, what you'll notice is I have quite a few more fields here. So I have not only manufacturer, MPN, and manufacturer country, I have a lot of other fields that are configured to display, including tariff, tax ID, zip, state, city, etc. But none of those are showing up on my form, even though all of the display boxes are checked and they're all in normal mode. The reason is because I have not enabled international shipping, which is what those fields are intended to be used for. So if I go to my setup for shipping, which you can access by going to Setup, Accounting, Shipping, that will take you to this page. If you click on Preferences and then on International Shipping, click Submit. I'm going to come back to my same inventory item. And once that finishes loading, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page. There we go. Now, what you'll notice is without making any changes at all to the form itself, scrolling down to the same section, I now have all of those fields displayed. So the turning on international shipping will automatically expose all of these fields that pertain to the functionality that is given by international shipping. So all of the information that you would want to record for your customs documentation, those fields will be exposed here. So you don't have to worry about creating custom fields or a lot of custom fields if you just enable that feature and leverage the native fields that are available to you. Hopefully you found that helpful. I've had that question a couple of times, and it's been kind of a noggin scratcher until we landed on that particular solution. So like I said, I hope you're able to take advantage of that as you are configuring your international shipping information. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.